I'm Zev, and I'm at SIR High School, and this is my starter project, the useless machine. And the useless machine's job is to basically turn itself off after it has been turned on. So I will turn it on, and an arm will come out and turn it off. So there are two main components to the useless machine, both are inside the box. There is the DC motor, and there is a bicolor LED. And the way a DC motor works is it has a power source, and it also has a polarity that determines the direction that it spins. And the bicolor LED has two anodes that are two different pathways that power could go into, and depending on which anode the power is going into, that determines the color of the LED, which can either be red or green. And so what happens when I flip this switch is the first what happens is the power goes into a different side of the motor, and that causes the motor to spin counterclockwise. So that determines the direction the motor spins in. And then also it sends power through one of the anodes of the LED, turning it green, like that. And then when the arm comes up and flips the switch back, it changes the side, again changes the side that the power goes into in the DC, and it also changes which anode the power is going into in the LED, so it starts to spin clockwise and the LED turns red. And now at the end, as we see, there's no light in the box and there's no movement of the motor. So, and that happens because there's another switch inside that is triggered by the arm rotating clockwise back into the box, which turns off the motor and turns off the LED, and it resets the box.